Hello guys, we are going to continue with our quadratic equation. And if you look at it, the question says that if 4 is a root of quadratic equation s squared minus bs minus 22 is equal to 0, find the value of b, that is a, b, find the other root. Let's get started. A, the first root is given, which is s is equal to 4. The first root of the quadratic equation s squared minus bs minus 22 is equal to 0. The first thing you should do is that, since that they say s equals to 4, for you to have the letter b, you have to substitute the value of s into this equation, which means that s is now 4 squared minus b into 4 minus 22 is equal to 0. Then 4 times 4 we have 16 minus 4b minus 22 is equal to 0. And it's the same thing as 16 minus 22 minus 4b is equal to 0. Then 16 minus 22 we have minus 6 minus 4b is equal to 0. Collect the like terms. To collect the like terms, we already have minus 6 here. Minus 6 is equal to, if this minus 4b cross equals and change to 4b without indicating the negative sign, then divide both sides, by the coefficient of b. And the coefficient of b here is 4, which is minus 6 equals to minus 4b. Divide both sides by, there's no minus, divide both sides by 4. 4 cancel 4. We now have b is equals to minus 6 over 4. 2 here we have minus 3. 2 here we have 2. Which means the answer for b is minus 3 over 2. Then b, find the other root. For you to find the other root, you have to rewrite this question again. We have s squared minus bs minus 22 is equal to 0. Whenever I see b, I'll put minus 3 over 2. So we now have s squared minus, b is minus 3 over 2, then x minus 22 is equal to 0. We have s squared, minus times minus is plus, have 3x all over 2 minus 22 is equal to 0. Since that this one is a fraction, we have to make this over 1. So the LCM of 1, 2, and 1 is 2, which means the LCM is now 2. Then 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 times s squared, we have 2s squared. 2s squared. Then plus 2 divided by 2, here we have 1. 1 times 3s, we have 3s. Then minus 2 divided by 1, we have 2. 2 times 22, we have 44. 44 is equal to 0 over 1. Cross multiply. If you cross multiply 1 times all this whole term, we have 2s squared plus 3s minus 44 is equal to 2 times 0 is 0. That becomes quadratic equation now. So the question says that find the other roots. What do? We say the first root they give is s equals to 4. If this 4 goes to this side, we have s minus 4. So we are going to use this s minus 4 to divide this to have the other root. Then you have to draw a long division table. So this is 2s squared plus 3s minus 44. And the first root is s minus 4. This is served as polynomial. 2s squared divided by s. 2s squared divided by s. We have 2s. 2s times s, we have 2s squared. Then this is minus here. Minus 2s times 4, we have 8s. Then we close the bracket. How can we eliminate these two so that it will eliminate? We have minus 2s squared minus 2s squared is gone. This minus will affect here. It is plus 3s plus 8s. We are going to have 11s. Then I'll drop this minus 44 down. Minus 44. 11s divided by s, we have a plus 11. 11 times s, we have 11s. This is minus 11 times 4, we have 44. Then we subtract this from this. 11s minus 11s gone. Minus 44 minus times minus is plus. Minus 44 plus 44 is 0. That means everything is now 0. We stop here. So which means that it will become like this: s minus 4, then 2s plus 11. We have get this value, the one they give us from the question, which we have to resolve this other one. So which means we have 2s plus 11 is equals to 0, which means means 2s is equals to 0. This is 11. Take it to the other side, have minus 11, which means we are going to have so we are going to have 2s is equal to 0 minus 11, which is 2x. So equal to 0 minus 11, we have minus 11. Divide both sides by quotient of s divided by 2 over 2. This cancels this. S equals to minus, how many times 2 going so 11 is 5, remainder 1 over 2. Which means that the other root is minus 5 over 1 over 2. Thank you and peace out.